Oh God, there's a construction going on upstairs. Okay, thank God. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna do how to do no makeup. Yes, means end of caked up makeup looks. What we can do every morning before stepping out, and it hardly takes 5 to 7 minutes. Trust me, it's very easy. No. Stop. Guys, please sorry for this disturbance. Actually pissing me off so much. So without any further delay, let's get started. Make sure always start with hydrated and clean face. As I have hydrated my face and I have moisturized it nicely, you can see, always put some good amount of moisturizer so that it keeps on hydrating. So alright, for no makeup look, instead of foundation we can go for BB cream. Any BB cream which is nice and tinted and SPF in it. So I'm going to use this Color Bar Perfect Match BB cream, which has SPF also, and it's paraben free. It's not going to harm your skin. As it is a paraben free, it has no chemical effect, so it's totally organic and very nice. The first thing I'm using, we can just take one pump of it. First thing we can use is the BB cream instead of foundation. A tinted sunscreen BB cream would work well if you're looking to do a minimal no makeup look. Using the lightly tinted formula will help you the ace no makeup look. So the second thing, I'm moving on to eyebrow pencil. It could be brown, it could be black. They're so handy for me, and I love this Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. I use both of them, depends on my mood what type of eyebrow I want to keep for the day. So today I'm thinking to keep my eyebrow little darker because I have the no makeup look. So eyebrow shapes your face. It's very important to have thick and bushy and dark eyebrows. As I'm done with my brows, I'm moving on to mascara. So today I'm using this Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Mascara because I want my lashes to do talking and I want them to look heavy and natural. So yes, I'm ditching kajal and liner, everything. I don't want to put anything other than this mascara. Little difficult to apply it here because let me take something I hope you guys can see it in the camera nicely. Now little bit on the lower lashes. coat of mascara. This will open up your eyes and give them definition without making them look so heavily done up. So as I'm done with my mascara, I'm moving on to my cheek tint, which is going to be used in my lip also and in my upper lid too. So I'm using this one, the Love Tint from Benefit, and this is the great one, and I'm in love with this product. I just swear by it. As you can see, it's looking natural pink. I mean, you have to use it on the apple of your cheek. If you want, you can use little bit more according to your convenience. But don't forget, don't do over the top. It should look so natural. And now I'm using it. I will just take a little bit and I will use it on my eyelid. Just a bit. And for my lips too, I'm not going to line my lips. I want them to look natural. So this is how I do. So I'm not going to line or anything. I think it's looking great, and I think and last but not the least, if you want, you can use compact powder or any loose powder. As I'm going to be out all day, I want my makeup to be at place, so I would like to set it in with this loose powder of sugar. You can take, I mean, little more. Dab it in so that it lasts for all day. And now I'm all ready. And all the product details and links will be mentioned in the description box below. I'm all ready to go out. I hope you like this look. I tried to keep it very simple and natural and very pretty, and it hardly took 5 to 7 minutes for me, and I'm just loving it. So as I'm ready, I can go for my earring. I think with this necklace, I can go for some golden earring. And guys, I'm ready to go out, and I hope you like this look. And this look took me 5 to 7 minutes only. This is super easy and comfortable. We can do on the daily basis. And I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, tata, take care. Love you all. Yeah.